Looking to sell your property in Brevard County? You may be wondering how to get the best cash offer. This video will teach you how to get the most money for your property, without dealing with realtor fees or any other hassles of a traditional sale. Here at 321 House Buyers, we pride ourselves on our professional and helpful service. We will work with you to get the best cash offer for your property, and we can even help with the paperwork and repairs. Here are 3 strategies to boost your cash offer. Number 1. Know your home's worth. It's completely understandable that you want to sell your home as quickly and for the most money as possible. Your home is likely your most valuable asset and it represents years of memories, and when you're ready to sell, you want to get the best possible price. In order to do that, it's important to have a clear understanding of your home's value. A cash home buyer is going to offer you a price that takes into account the current condition of your home, meaning without any repairs or updates that need to be done. You should have a good idea of what your home is worth in its current state, so that you can enter into negotiations with a solid frame of reference. A reputable cash buyer will be able to provide you with the reasons underlying their offer, and come to an agreement you're happy with. Number 2. Perform repairs or updates. Although it's not always necessary to perform repairs and updates when selling to a cash buyer, this is one way that you can boost the offer you receive. If the buyer doesn't have to do updates and repairs before they sell again, they'll save money later and be willing to pay more for the property. Number 3. Sell to a reputable and respected cash buyer. A reputable and respected cash home buyer will be transparent about their process, their valuation of your home, and the timeline on which they can close the deal. Some companies are unscrupulous and only seek to maximize their profits, while others are considerate of the plethora of emotions and challenges that come along with selling a home, and your need to extract as much value as possible in a difficult situation. Our mission at 321 House Buyers is to help you sell your property quickly and efficiently, and assist you in moving on to the next chapter of your life. We understand that some of the most challenging times in life can be when you're faced with selling your home. Our team is here to help you face default, foreclosure, distress, disrepair, divorce, sickness, and anything else on your plate. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you want to get the most money from your property in a matter of weeks. Call us today at 1-321-323-9093, check out the rest of our website, or schedule your free consultation, and we'll get started on the process together.